Hello one and all, welcome to Classics on a Shoestring. We're off today to go and help a friend change the front wheel on his 125 Supermoto. He bought a second-hand wheel, put it on, and he's got a really bad vibration. Sounds to me like the wheel isn't balanced, so we're going to go and swap it back for his old wheel. Made it up to me mates, he's already made a start on it. But this is his little 125 Supermoto. Going through a colour change at the moment. He can't make his mind up what colour to keep it. We'll actually get him to do most of the work so he knows how to do it himself. Yeah. This is how not to jack up your motorcycle. This is why you should have a bit of wood.
Wow.
Go on. This is why you should put a bit of wood under it and then it will lift it straight.
Yeah, well, I only want you to hold it.
This is an easy one, I've only got to hold the bike. No, don't twist it, just speedo drive, you've got to disconnect speedo drive. Don't lose your spacer. Could have washed the wheel.
There's no point. We're not long enough.
Yeah, that's it. That goes in there. Right, speedo drive's not in right because you'll probably find it's not located in between the two grooves.
Now it is.
Now it is. Right, you know your other problem? Because the bike's at an angle, you're trying to put the wheel in straight. Let me try and straighten the bike for you a little bit.
Probably dug up something in the back. Let's try and get.
Right, that disc is too fat to go in between the gap in the pads. You need to open the pads up. Look at that disc's like paper. This is how not to change the front wheel on your bike. No, that's it. wheel, the pads are pushed over.
It's alright, I will do it.
The pads are closed. They've rattled closed. Leave the screwdriver in the back of it just to keep them open. That's it. No. Sorry. Don't rush. You'll rush. They're open. No, they're open enough. What's happening when you're putting the wheel in? They're just flapping closed. It's like you're trying to put your finger in someone's mouth that's closed. If you tuck the screwdriver into the rear of it, it'll keep them open. It'll keep them apart. That's it. Just let it sit there like that. It'll keep them open. Right. Once you've got it into a position, you have to pull the screwdriver out the back. Do you want to swap?
No, I'm going to do it.
Under your leg. You hold the bike and I'll do the wheel.
No.
Take the screwdriver out, it's jamming on this. Take it out, you should be jamming against the wheel. Before I plug in as well.
Don't dare. Supposed to be there. Ain't it?
Don't really matter as long as it's seated, which it's not.
I loosen it. Might work.
You ain't going to bend your fork legs out, are you?
Still got a point.
Yeah. It's not my fault.
Why is it your fault?
I'm just saying, it's not my fault. So, give it a rest for 5 minutes.
I'm going to do it. Don't help, everything's greasy. Like you say, I am getting a bit rattled behind.
It's meant to be greasy.
Is it?
Look, internally, it's supposed to be more than externally. Right, first things first. Work out, right, that doesn't move on there. That's it, they turn that, it sits either side of that. Them prongs go in either side of that. Then this,
So the wheel needs to
see
be...
that, no, the wheel was fine where it was. Because you've got the two exits, right? Oh, don't worry about that. Right, see the two lugs left and right? They sit opposite there and there, right? There has got to go between. It's got to sit between there, like that.
Yeah.
So that's got to be in line with that.
Alright, turn the forks dead straight. Why is this fork moving?
Because it's pissed. The whole bike's pissed. You want me to lift the bike straight? So, you're never going to do it with the bike at an angle and the wheel straight. The bike, if I do that, you've got more of a chance because you're holding the wheel straight. Right, is that prong sitting in between the two? Yeah, it gives you got about 10 mil backwards and forwards movement on them.
I ain't gonna go anymore because don't want to ring its neck.
Well, so you're bolting it, you're screwing into cast alley.
Yeah. Fine. Should I let you know?
And the new front one he put on wasn't balanced. So now he should solve his problems. Right, all back together with the front wheel on. Just running it on choke, let it warm up a little bit. And then he can run it up the road and see if it's cured the vibration problem. Cured the problem? It seems to have cured his problem. It was purely down to the other wheel he was putting on to use the tyre wasn't balanced and was causing the vibration. So, all done, all sorted. Please like, comment and subscribe. Click that little dingle bell for any further uploads I do. Thanks for watching.